Earlier today, I had a good conversation up in New York with President-elect Trump about a number of pressing issues. We talked about the upcoming Senate agenda, the President-elect's nominees, and the way forward on repealing and replacing Obamacare. As I told him, the Senate's focus this week will remain on the process to repeal Obamacare and to keep our commitment to the American people. Obamacare has been a flawed system from the start, and things have gotten progressively worse over the last 7 years. From skyrocketing premiums to dwindling insurers and the exchanges, Obamacare has corroded insurance markets across the country to a point that is simply unsustainable. That's why we're taking action to bring relief to the countless American families who've been hurt by Obamacare. Unfortunately, there are some who will never accept the realities of this failed partisan law. They seem more interested in messaging exercises than replacing Obamacare with real solutions to improve health care. Catchy slogans, expensive campaigns, or messaging amendments are not going to undo the damage Obamacare has caused. Our nation cannot continue on this trajectory as Obamacare continues to unravel at every level, leaving Americans to pick up the pieces. We may not be responsible for the damage of this law, but we're committed to bring relief nonetheless. We'll continue working this week to pass the legislative tools necessary to begin clearing the way for repeal, and then a different way forward that will lower costs and increase choices from where they are now. There's no quick fix to undoing the damage created by this broken and complex law. And repeal is just the first step in that process. But the sooner we act, the sooner we can begin bringing relief to those who need it. So let's continue working to keep our promise to the American people by passing legislation that will help us finally move beyond Obamacare's broken promises.